How to use Canvas Inbox. You can send Canvas Inbox messages to reach out to a classmate or a teacher. Go to the inbox icon on the global navigation bar on the left. Find this Compose a New Message icon to start a new message. Choose the course that the teacher or the classmate is in. Under To, type the name of the person that you want to send the message to. Fill in the subject of the message. Write your message in the text box. At the bottom left corner, you can attach a file or you can attach a video as part of your message. When you're done writing the message, press Send. To reply to a message, select your message and click the reply arrow. Write your message. And send.